today let's start with chapter number first, sources of food. In this chapter, we will study about sources of food. We have two sources. Basically, we have plants and animals. What are these? These are the two sources of food. Now, I will tell you what is food and its functions and important functions and sources of each nutrients in our body. What is the role of nutrients in our body? Let's start with the chapter now. Now, food and its importance for healthy living. Food satisfy our hunger. What the food do? Food satisfy our hunger and provide energy for day-to-day living. What it stores satisfy our hunger and provides energy to do day-to-day living. It is also important part of our social occasion. When you go to friend's house, we are generally greeted and offered something to eat and drink. You go to your friend's house or you go to your family member. First they greet you and give you, what they give you? They give you water to drink and eat different things. So food serve as a social function. Similarly, when you are away from home, you not only miss your family, but also food. That is why food is important for our life. Can you elaborate the importance of food in our life? Why the food is very important? Now, yes, you are right. We eat to satisfy our hunger, feel happy, even celebrate special occasions. Now, let us now learn about the various functions of food. What are the different functions? It gives us energy to work. Food helps us in growth and repair of tissue. What it's do? It's repair our tissue and helps in the growth. Food gives us strength to fight against disease. What it's give? It gives us strength to fight against disease. Now, food ingredients. While preparing a dish, different material or ingredient are needed. For preparing a tea, 4 ingredients are required. We need tea leaves, sugar, milk and water. And what we can do? We can prepare our tea. Now here you have to write the ingredient that your mom used, your mother used for making these items. Ghee, idli, coffee. What are the items? You have to write that. Now where do we get these ingredients from? We get these mainly from plants and animals. However, water is obtained from the earth. From where is water obtained? From the earth. Then what are the sources of food? There are two main sources in the world for human being, that is plant and animal. Because of this reason, there exists an intimate relationship between plants, animals and human. What is there? There is an intimate relationship between plants, animals and human. Then what are food obtains from plants? What are the food items that are obtained from plants? We get different types of food from plants, like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, oil, beverages, spices and medicine. Like cereals, we have wheat, oats, rice. Pulses, we have chana, urad, masoor. Fruits, we have apple, pineapple, banana. Then we have spices like turmeric, red chili, or clove, or black pepper. What are these? These are the spices. Now, food obtained from animals. We get different food items from animals. We get milk from cow, buffalo, camel, eggs from hen and duck, meat from hen, goat and duck, and we get honey bee from honey. Honey किससे मिलता है हमें? Honey bee से. Now, activity 2, plants and animals. Do you know which food items come from plants and which from animals? You have to write over there. For the food we get from plants, you have to write P, and from animals, you have to write A. Now, food habits of animals. Different animals have, now we have food habits of animals. Different animals have different food habits. There are 3 main eating habits of animals. Animals that eat only plants, grass, and meat. They are called herbivores. Like we have cow, horses, goat. In the domestic scene, and deer, zebra, and giraffe in the wild. These are domestic animals, and your zebra, giraffe, they are known as wild animals. Then the animals that eat only other animals. Animals that eat other animals or flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores. Like we have lion, tiger, snake. You must find them tame carny animals, but cats and dogs prefer to eat meat rather than leaves. Most of the people, they tame wild animals also, like cat and dog. Then that leads us to group of animals that like to eat both plants and animals. In fact, like rat, they can eat almost anything. This group of animal is called omnivores animal. Most human beings are omnivores. There are some animals who will eat only plants like and avoid eating even eggs. They will not eat and fish and milk because they are religious or ethnic reason. There are some religious or ethnic reason they will not eat, they will avoid eating fish, egg or meat. Some have made personal choice to eat only vegetarian food because human body, those who are best suited, those who need only vegetarian, those who eat only plant product, they are known as vegetarian. Now we have scavenging in both carnivores and herbivores feeding behavior, in which scavenger feeds on dead animals and plants. Who are scavengers? These are the animals that depends upon dead and remains of plants and animals. While most carnivores hunt and kill their prey, as scavenger, what they do usually they consume the animals that have been directly or indirectly they are killed by the carnivores. Then we have food chain. Every organism need energy in order to live. For example, plants get energy from the sun. Some animals eat plants and some eat other animals. And energy passes through the body. Some of it is digested, and the process of digestion release energy. And the process of digestion, what it release energy. A food chain shows how each living things get its food. Some animals get plants, some animals eat plants, and some animals eat animals. It's a simple food chain like grass is eaten by grasshopper, and then grasshopper is eaten by snake, and snake what vulture is eating the snake. What is this? This is a food chain. Now, the deer that eats trees and shrubs and the bear that eats deer. Each link in the chain is food for the next time. Like sun, ठीक है, its producer, consumer कौन हो गए आपके herbivores. Herbivores are known as consumer. Then we have omnivore, they are also consumer. Carnivores are also consumer. Then we have detrivore, and what जब ये डिकम्पोज हो जाते हैं सॉइल में, ये सॉइल को फर्टाइल बनाते हैं and what they can, and then with the help of proper amount of sunlight, air and water, then again the plants grow and the same change for. Now plants are called producer because they are able to use light energy. Why plants are called producer? Because they are able to use only light energy from the sun to produce food from carbon dioxide and water. The process by which the plants make food called food. The process by which plants make the food is called photosynthesis. Animals cannot make their own food, so they must eat plants or other animals, and they are called consume. Plants are known as producers, and animals are known as consumers. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you. Now we'll start with the exercise of the chapter. Take the correct option. Now a deer eats only plant products, so it is called, क्या कहते हैं उसको हम, herbivore. Then the source of products such as milk, curd, and paneer and ghee are plants, animals. Source of product is क्या? Animal product. Then which of the following food item is not obtained from animals? इसमें से कौन सा food item like sugar? It is not obtained from animal. If we talk about meat, milk, ये किससे obtained होता है? Animal से. Sugarcane plant से obtained. Then the interconnection between food chain is known as decomposition, association या फिर food web. तो क्या बोला जाता है? Food web. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. तो tiger क्या है आपका? Carnivore. Then next is fill in the blanks. Collection of the food chain is known as food web. Dash are plant eaters. Herbivores. Humans are. What are humans? They are omnivores. The chemical substance in food that your body needs are called. इन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? Nutrients. Now short answer type questions. First is give an example of food chain. The example like The plant, it is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper को किसने खाया? Frog ने खाया. Like this, you will give an example of food chain. What do herbivores eat? Herbivores eat only plant products. Why are green plants called producer? Because what they provide, they produce their own food. Write the names of any two omnivores. Your human name, dog, cat. List any two functions of food. They give us energy and they help us to build our body. Now, long answer type question. What is a food chain? Explain with an example. You have to what is food chain. It is an interdependence upon producer, consumers. Now, distinguish between omnivores and scavengers. Omnivores, these are the animals that eat both plants and animals. And what are the scavengers? They eat the dead remains of animals. What are the functions of food and do you find all living things need same kind of food? If not, why? कि हर एक लिविंग और लिविंग थिंग्स को सेम काइंड ऑफ फूड चाहिए और अगर नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं है दैट यू हैव टू टेल इन दिस चैप्टर. Now our chapter has been completed. We have done with the exercise. That's all for today. Thank you.